Shanti. This is the Sakar Murli of 4th January 2021. Essence. Sweet children, continue to follow the Father's elevated direction at every step. Only listen to the one Father, and we will not be attracted by Maya. Question. What is the basis of claiming an elevated status? Answer. In order to claim an elevated status, continue to follow every one of the Father's directions. As soon as you children receive a direction from the Father, accept it without further any thoughts. Engage yourself in this spiritual study. You must not resemble anyone else. When you die, the world is dead for you. Only then can you receive a high status. Song. Having found you, you have found the whole world. Essence for Dharna. First, Maya will become very strong and come in front of you. Don't be afraid of her. Become a conqueror of Maya. Follow Srimad at every step and have mercy for yourself. Second, show your true chart to the Father. Live as a trustee. Practice staying in remembrance while walking and moving around. Blessing. May you grant a vision of your crown of light to your devotee through your own form and become a specially loved deity. When you become a father's children and made a promise for purity, you receive a crown of light in return. The jewels studded crown is nothing compared to these crowns of light. The more you continue to inculcate purity into your thought, words, and deed, the cleaner the crown of light will become, and we will then be elevated, and will then be revealed as the specially loved deity in front of your devotee. Slogan. Always stay under the canopy of Bap Dada protection, and we will become a destroyer of obstacle. Once again, always stay under the canopy of Bap Dada's protections, and you will become a destroyer of obstacle. Om Shanti.